When I was at NAB 2026 in April, Summit Creative, a manufacturer of backpacks and cases for photographers and outdoors people, was kind enough to give me this photographer's backpack for review. So to do the review, we took it to Isla Mucura, to the little tiny Mucura Island off the Colombian coast in the Caribbean, to really just open this up and see what we could find. So this is a really cool product. This backpack is part of their Metropolis series. It's the 32 liter version, and it weighs just over 5 pounds. It comes in 4 colors. It comes in an orange, kind of like an olive beige color, like a tan, blue, and then here you see that we have the black version. And a really cool product. I have some pretty nice photographers backpacks, but this one has already become my favorite. It has a lot of different compartments in here. The back opens up, and so it protects your gear, because to open and get access, there are side pockets for quick access. And then there's actually an internal pocket for laptop storage if you have a smaller laptop, and there's a bigger external pocket that fits my 15-inch Asus laptop. So I kind of use the internal pocket for my notebook or for my, physical notebook that you write with a pen, not my notebook computer. And then I use the outside pocket for my laptop. Now, what comes with all of these different configurable inside dividers, which is pretty standard for photographers' backpacks, and we can configure these. I configured mine, and the thing is, it's waterproof. It's made out of nylon. One of the things that gives me a lot of confidence is that it has YKK zippers. The last thing you want is to be out in the Amazon jungle or up on some volcano or somewhere, and then your zippers fail and your stuff is falling all over the place or falling down the side of a cliff or something. So the YKK brand zippers give me the confidence that the things that you close are going to stay shut. It has a really cool magnetic activated fidlock magnetic buckle, and it stays tight, but it has kind of a quick release, and it only releases if you actually go to release it. Really cool design. It's really difficult to kind of explain, but the buckle that closes the top water resistant part is really cool. The upper part and the bottom are adjustable. You can instantly take out the dividers and transform it if you want an everyday bag, or if you're going to use it just as a regular backpack and not for camera gear, that's fine. There's a super cool harness system. The way that it's very comfortable. And the harnesses are not only adjustable, but they have access points and even their own pockets. There's a roll top compartment that you can open up. I was able to fit my Tamron 14 millimeter wide angle lens in it, and there was still plenty of room for other stuff. And it's also very attractive, and it's very comfortable. It can hold a lot. As you can see, I was able to fit a full-size professional video camera in this. I was able to fit my full-size Canon 5D Mark IV in here with the big 125 or 35 millimeter zoom lens on it. And with these two big full-size cameras in here, including the audio grip handle that goes onto the video camera, I was still able to fit my backup aquatic Olympus camera. I was able to fit my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 video camera. I was able to fit my DJI Mini 5 drone and the drone controller in here, and the battery pack. This thing really holds a lot. And then in the front packet, it held my full Asus 15-inch computer. The cool thing about this as well is that it has all of these. It's like everywhere they could jam an extra pocket, they did. So if you're at the airport and you want to get quick access to your passport or other documents, there are places for that. If you have, there's a keychain holder, of course. These are the things that you kind of expect on any backpack. And then it comes, of course, with an outside rain cover. Even though the basic backpack itself is water resistant, there is a full second layer of protection of rain cover that goes on top of that. You can get it in your choice of 4 colors. Again, it's Summit Creative. Their website is summit-creative.com. You can buy it at your local camera retailer. I'm sure you can order it online. If you're looking for it and you have any difficulty finding it, let me know and I will put you in touch with the manufacturers. I'm not paid for this. I mean, they gave me the backpack, but I'm not paid. I'm not an affiliate marketer. I don't get any kind of commission or promotion or anything like that, but I wanted to share this with you. Really attractive backpack, even though I have a couple of nice ones. This one has already become my favorite. I've traveled with it throughout the United States. I've traveled with it throughout Colombia. I've used it in urban environments. I've used it in, as you can see here, an isolated, beautiful island. If you ever want to visit, go and visit Hotel Isla Mucura, which is where we filmed this. I'll put a little, piece in here on them. And let me know, have you used a Summit Creative product in the past? Do you have another alternative that you might like? And what are your thoughts? And again, I just wanted to do this as a courtesy, no affiliate or commission or such, but I'm glad to put you in touch with the company because this is a really nice product that I'm proud to share with you all. Thanks a lot.